Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to another gripping episode on Mr. Darkman TV. I'm your host, Zainab Sabir, bringing you stories that delve deep into the heart of global events. Today, we uncover the untold saga of Miss World 2025, where the glaring absence of Pakistan has sent ripples across the pageant world. But before we dive into this sizzling narrative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our thrilling stories. Imagine a global stage set in Hyderabad, India, where 108 nations showcase their beauty and purpose. Amidst this grandeur, one nation's absence speaks volumes. Pakistan, a country rich in culture and talent, is missing. Why? What led to this void? And how did it impact India's ambitious Project Ekta? Stay with us as we unravel this captivating tale. The Hitex Exhibition Center in Hyderabad buzzed with anticipation on 31st May 2025. The 72nd Miss World pageant was not just a celebration of beauty but a convergence of cultures, aspirations, and advocacies. Contestants from 108 countries graced the stage, each bringing stories of resilience and purpose. India's representative, Nandini Gupta from Kota, Rajasthan, stood out with her initiative, Project Ekta, aiming to empower differently abled individuals. Inspired by her uncle's struggles with polio and developmental delays, Nandini's mission was to create an inclusive world. Amidst the dazzling array of participants, the absence of Pakistan was palpable. Historically, Pakistan has not participated in the Miss World pageant. In 2023, Erica Robbins' representation of Pakistan at Miss Universe sparked significant controversy within the country, with many deeming it inappropriate. While earlier reports suggested Pakistan would debut in Miss World 2025, these plans did not materialize. The absence underscored ongoing cultural and societal debates within the country regarding participation in international beauty pageants. Project Ekta was more than a pageant initiative, it was a movement. Nandini Gupta envisioned a world where differently abled individuals were not just included but celebrated. Her project aimed to dismantle societal stigmas and build confidence among those often marginalized. However, the project's success hinged on regional collaboration. The absence of Pakistan, a significant player in South Asia, posed challenges to the project's outreach and impact. Pakistan's non-participation had broader implications. Project Ekta aimed to foster inclusivity across South Asia. Without Pakistan's involvement, the project faced hurdles in achieving its regional objectives. The absence also highlighted the complexities of cultural acceptance and the challenges faced by initiatives promoting inclusivity in conservative societies. Other South Asian contestants brought their unique advocacies to the forefront. Nepal's Sricha Pradhan emphasized reconnecting with nature and indigenous wisdom through her initiative, Pacha Pranali. Bangladesh Atika Konika, a certified mental health support worker, launched Young Mind Matters to address mental health issues among youth. Sri Lanka's Anudhi Gunasekara focused on menstrual health and hygiene with her project, Saheli. The Tribune these initiatives showcased the region's commitment to social causes, making Pakistan's absence even more conspicuous. The controversy surrounding Erica Robbins' participation in Miss Universe 2023 highlighted the cultural tensions within Pakistan regarding beauty pageants. Many viewed such events as conflicting with Islamic values, leading to public outcry and debates about cultural identity and modernity. These societal dynamics played a significant role in Pakistan's decision to abstain from Miss World 2025, reflecting the ongoing struggle between tradition and progress. The absence of Pakistan in Miss World 2025 serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by initiatives promoting inclusivity in regions grappling with cultural conservatism. For Project Ekta to achieve its full potential, it requires the participation and support of all South Asian nations. Moving forward, fostering dialogues that bridge cultural divides and promote understanding will be crucial. Only through collective efforts can the vision of an inclusive and united South Asia be realized. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intricate tapestry of culture, ambition, and societal dynamics. The story of Miss World 2025 and Pakistan's absence is a testament to the complexities of our world. If you found this story enlightening, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, this is Zainab Sabir signing off from Mr. Darkman TV. Khuda Hafiz.